Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the video useful, please subscribe to the channel. In this video, we'll solve this problem using the concepts of radian angle. As per the problem, in a radian watch, 12 has been replaced with 0 and 6 with pi. The hands of the watch run the same way in usual clockwise direction. A radian time of pi is shown in the diagram. In part A, we have to find the normal time that corresponds to a radian time of 11 pi over 6. Let's start with part A. We are given a picture of the radian watch and it shows the radian time pi. In a normal watch, the number at the top is 12, the number at the bottom is 6. The radian time pi corresponds to 6 on a normal watch. The time shown in the given radian watch picture is pi because the hour hand has moved pi radians in the clockwise direction from the 0 position. That means the time pi in this diagram corresponds to the pi radian angle the hour hand has turned in the clockwise direction. We have to find the normal time for radian time of 11 pi over 6. So 11 pi over 6 time corresponds to 11 pi over 6 radians the hour hand has turned in the clockwise direction from the 0 position. We have to convert this radian angle into hours. As we discussed earlier, 6 hours on a normal watch are equivalent to pi radians. So we should convert 11 pi over 6 radians to hours. So we should multiply it by 6 hours over pi radians. We keep the radian unit in the denominator because we want to cancel it out. We can also cancel out the pi's. We can also cancel out the 6's. So we are left with 11 hours, which corresponds to a time of 11. This should be the final answer for part A. Now we can answer part B. What radian time corresponds to 7:30? 7:30 time on normal watch corresponds to 7 hours and 30 minutes from the 12th position in the clockwise direction. To find the radian time, we have to convert hours to radians. We should multiply 7.5 hours by pi over 6. We have to use the conversion rate that 6 hours on a normal watch correspond to pi radians on radian watch. We keep the hours unit in the denominator because we want to cancel it out. I get we can reduce 7.5 and 6 by dividing these numbers by 1.5. 7.5 divided by 1.5 is 5. 6 divided by 1.5 is 4. I get 5 pi over 4 and the unit is radians. So the radian time is 5 pi over 4. This should be the final answer for part B. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve a problem like this one. I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.